Hey quilters, it's Sarah from Sarah Softies here to chat with you guys. The topic for today is going to be how to get the most bang for your buck when it comes to buying quilt patterns. I, first and foremost, am a quilter, not just a pattern designer. I did the same thing everybody else did, which was collect all the patterns. I'm going to do all these patterns. I have books and notebooks and magazines and digital and printed and so many more patterns that I will ever get done in my life. The best way to get those cheaply, affordably, that's what we're going to discuss today. One of the things I wanted to mention is, before we get started too far, is this quilt behind me. It is Flying Flock. I just released it, I guess April 17th, which is my mother's birthday. Happy birthday to her. I released a pattern. But I want to say the overwhelming response from this release has been amazing. I am so glad you guys are loving it, and I'm glad you guys are loving these little videos I'm doing. If you want to look up more, please go to my YouTube channel if you're not seeing this on my YouTube. I have videos on picking out fabrics for quilts that have lots of different fabrics in them. There's a video on flying geese, like how to make the 4 at a time flying geese. There's a pillow pattern, little movie on there of how to make these pillows, the envelope pillows, which are very handy. They're 18-inch pillow covers. It shows you how to make those. Please check out my videos. I'm going to be trying to do a few more of these so you guys can get a bunch of different hacks and ways to help you. So today, the bang for your buck. You love patterns, obviously. What quilter doesn't? Even scrappy quilters tend to use a pattern to start with and kind of go off that. I've got a couple ideas for you. Let's work on these. First and foremost, the easiest way to save money on patterns is to subscribe to your favorite designers and your favorite quilt shops mailing lists. As soon as you sign up for a vast majority of mailing lists, we send you something free. Sometimes, like for me, you get a pattern called Black Forest Stars, and then a little while later you get some coupon codes. If you sign up for another designers, they may immediately give you a coupon code. Sign up for their mailing list. They will let you know when there's new patterns out. They'll let you know when they're having sales. They will even tell you when other stores are having sales, because a lot of us designers don't make a lot of money off our patterns. And I'm gonna have to find the link to, I'm pretty sure it was a podcast or blog that one of the designers that I've met online did about where we actually get our money. Most of us don't make a lot of money off of our patterns themselves. We make money off of like affiliates. And I'm an affiliate for a couple quilt organizations such as Fat Quarter Shop and EQ8, which is a design website or a design program for designing in quilts. And we get notified of the sales, the affiliates do, before the sales are released. So a lot of time we will make emails with all of our sales that are coming up across the board and send those out. So you don't even have to sign up for all of the mailing lists. You sign up for your favorite designer that also is an affiliate for things, and they will give you a heads up and they will let you know when the sales are happening. Highly recommend mailing lists. They are the easiest way to get to know us and the easiest way for us to get to know you guys and to pass along information. Social media can change the rules. You don't always see our posts. You don't always see this. You don't always see that. So mailing lists get you the best deals by far. The second thing I have to recommend is magazines. So I tend, as of the time I'm making this video, and these prices may change, just letting you guys know this, disclaimers, put a disclaimer here, prices may change. Remind me later to put that in there when I'm editing this. Right now I am selling digital patterns for $10 US. And my print patterns, on average for most of my patterns, like this one is currently $10. When I first released it, it was on sale for $7.50, but you had to be on my mailing list to get the to get the link. Yeah, funny how that works. You had to get this on my mailing list to get the special link to be able to get this for only $7.50. And then my print patterns run between $12 to $14 for most of them, because we got to pay the printer, right? And we got to mail them and all that other fun stuff. But you can spend $12 US on a digital magazine, Make Modern, which is one that I've worked with many, many times. Absolutely love them. And you get between 10 to 12 patterns for the same price as one of my patterns. Plus, you also get tons of articles and other information, and you can enter into drawings, and you get it, right? Magazines are a good way to go. We also have like Quilter's World. It's another magazine that I've been in. I don't know if it will have released by the time this video posts. We'll see. But it is $7 US for this magazine. And if you get a subscription for a year, normally it's like $20 or $30, and you get a whole year's worth. And each one of these, this one has 6 beautiful designs using this favorite block, star blocks. So you get 6 designs plus tips and tricks, and there's some coupon codes throughout here. Plus. Magazines support us. A lot of us are in magazines, a lot of us aren't. But yeah, definitely. That's a good way to get lots of patterns and to see lots of things. Make sure you look up different magazines. If you are a modern quilter, you're probably not going to enjoy Quilter's World as much as you will Make Modern. If you are more of a traditional quilter, maybe you need to go more toward Fons and Porter. Look them up, try to find what you like. Subscriptions are a good way to do that. And you can also put those subscriptions as gifts. So when your family asks, what do you want for Christmas? Be like, I want a yearly subscription to such and such magazine. Great gift ideas. The next one I have is local quilt shop sales. Support your local quilt shops. They can do deals with you that the big places can't. All right? Keep that in mind. They are there for you. They are in your community. They can help you out a lot more. They also offer classes, and they can offer kits, and they can help you create kits for whatever patterns you find. If you want, I do know a lot of quilt shops, when they make kits, it is cheaper to buy a kit with the pattern in it than it is for you to go buy the pattern and get all the fabric separately. So let them do all the work. Just buy the kit. And if you know the quilt shop and you shop there regularly, maybe they can help you out. Local quilt shops. Support them. Last one I got here is digital versus print patterns. I would recommend, if you can, buy digitally because they tend to be cheaper. Mine are $2 to $4 cheaper digitally than they are print, and you can print it at home. If you can't buy it digitally, then you have your other options. But a vast majority of us, not everybody, but a lot of us will have the digital cheaper than a print pattern. And I'm letting you know right now, the cost of for me to print a pattern is between I'd say $2 to $4 per pattern for me to print, depending on the pattern. So when I say it's only $2 to $4 more, I don't make any more off of that. I make even less if I have to sell it wholesale. So just a heads up. Please support us whenever you can. This isn't where our money's coming from. We do it because we absolutely love it. But one of the things I wanted to ask you guys is, how do you find patterns cheaply and affordably? If you have any comments, please put them below on my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on my video, or on my website, not my video, you're watching my video on my website, you can go to my YouTube channel, leave comments, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. You'll get notified as soon as I post a new video. I don't know how often I'm gonna do that. Probably not super often. But yeah, please subscribe, comment below, let me know what your ideas are. Please do not post free pattern Facebook groups. I'm telling you right now, I would say at least half of those are scams. At least half. It is a huge discussion with the designers. A lot of things like that are super sketchy. They're either scams or they have, they're using patterns from us that we did not give them permission to use, which is very unfortunate because, as I told you, we don't make a lot of money off of them as it is. And to know that we're losing even more because of it is kind of sad and depressing, and I don't like being sad and depressed. So please don't comment Facebook groups. Don't comment free Facebook groups. If you've got your favorite quilt shop, your favorite magazines, any other places that you can find patterns, even estate sales, please get them at an estate sale. Get them at, yeah. Anyway. Sorry, little soapbox moment for Sarah here. But yeah, let me make sure I got all my things on my list. Bring back. Yeah, I think that's what I got, guys. So yeah, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to discuss. I will gladly discuss literally anything that comes to the quilting business that I have knowledge of. If not, I can find a person that can help you. A lot of us quilt designers do work together and collaborate behind the scenes. So if you've got questions about anything in the industry, let me know and I will try to hook you up. In the meantime, thanks for chatting with me. That is Let's Chat, how to get the most bang for your buck when it comes to buying quilt patterns. And we'll see you later, guys. Bye.